Hey guys, Oleksii here with Remax Performance and Alcoa Mortgage, and February's over. That's it. First 2 months of the year, gone. Absolutely destroyed. March doesn't feel like March because today, when you're going to be watching this video, it just snowed. Makes no sense. I don't understand the weather in Virginia. It's a little weird. It is what it is. Check out the list in the email about the events in Harrisonburg, or I guess in the Shenandoah Valley. Very, very interesting stuff going on. So make sure to check that out. And if you're not receiving my newsletter, shoot me a text to 540-830-9017 and I'll add you in. But let's get into the numbers, shall we? So we got rates that have dropped, which is absolutely unbelievable and awesome. So the rates are just below 6%, which is the first in 3.5 years, which is splendid. If you're above 7, refinance tomorrow. I'm above 7, I'm refinancing right now. Gonna drop my payment by like $300. It's awesome. But I can't promise that. This is just my case, just so you know. So rates dropped, which is awesome. I think they're going to keep on dropping. You know, the current administration has promised to invest into the treasury bonds, which is I think 200 billion, something like that, over a course of the I think it's a year or two. I'm not sure exactly how long. I don't think they have really shared that. But with that, the rates are going to keep on dropping, hopefully. So we'll see the good stuff. It's going to be over time, so nobody really knows where and when and why. Average days in the market are stood flat, just under 50 days. So properties are getting moved. The actives have dropped as well since last year, from the active listings, meaning that there's not that many, there's not a lot of stale properties that have been on the market that are screwing the averages up. They've been on the market for 1,000 days or something ridiculous like that. So that's a good thing. Stuff is slowly moving, I think. Then we got sold prices listing sold. The average prices in our area are just peaking around the 380 mark. So pretty steady. We're not seeing decline or much of a rapid growth, which is good. Again, let's have some stability. I don't like all of these like huge dips and ups. It's good for sellers sometimes it's good for buyers when they buy and it goes up. But let's chill out. Let's have a chill year. How about that? And then for total volume by month, this is pretty much showing the total real estate that was sold in that month. January saw a massive decline because that goes, usually it's about 30-day closings, right? So if December was not having that many contracts, usually January's slow, and that's what you see on here. January was super slow for closings, but February is higher. That means people, start ramping up in January. I think March is going to be even higher for closings. So I think it's going to be a hot year for real estate with the rates dropping. So we'll see what happens with the prices. They might go up slightly just because of demand, but no one knows. I think we'll see a lot more new construction this year, hopefully. So that's pretty much all I got for you. You stay safe. Don't drive too much tonight, and I'll see you next month. This is Oleksii with the Remax Performance and Alcoa Mortgage. And